Hitman here, and this video is about my novice SSG10. I purchased the Stalker Scorpion piston with the Rapax 3 jewel spring. I've spent a lot of time testing weight combinations and I have settled for this combo. I have the air brake pin as far as I can because the reason I bought this piston is to shoot as silent as possible. I have also installed an Action Army 601 by 500 in a barrel to get that jewel to where I wanted it. I'm super satisfied with what I got. Everything else is pretty much stock from the SSG10. I'm going to show you my SSG10 possibilities. I play by joules and not by FPS because if you compare a hit of a 0.20 gram to a 0.45 gram, that 0.45 will hurt way more than a 0.20 gram. I will shoot the first 3 shots to show you my joule and its consistency. Then I'll raise the hop up to show you max power. 2.77. The first, I'm going to see the first 3 is to see its consistency. 2.78. 2.76. Okay, so that's not going to 2.8. I just added 1 click on the hop up. 2.79. Another click on the hop up. 2.86. Another click on the hop up. 2.99. I would play the 2.99 joule only if I see that I can't reach my enemy with the 2.7 joule. But I'm sure that 2.7 joule can reach the same distance as the 2.99. So I'm going to shoot, leaving it at 2.99. Let's see if it does another 2.99. 2.86. I added a lot more BBs this time, I'm not sure. 2.87. So let's add another click on the hop up. 2.9. Let's add another click on the hop up. Wow. 2.9. Again. 2.93. Another click to the hop up. 2.86. No, that went down. I'm gonna try again. 2.84. I'm gonna go down. No more BBs. Anyway, 2.9 is the highest I see. So yeah, guys, I'm outside because now this test is to show you its quietness. And I'm going to be putting my SSG10 against my 303 with an extended barrel. And this is the novice stock barrel, which I put in here, and this thing is amazing. And the reason I did that is because I HPA'd it, and there's certain things, and that goes to another topic. But we're here to talk about the Stalker Scorpion piston. So now, with my SSG10, I have the barrel sticking out. So I'm going to do 2 types of tests with my SSG10. So I'm going to do the normal suppressor. So that means, let me just show you how much of the barrel, the inner barrel cuts maybe 33%, 35% of the suppressor. This is not the novice suppressor. This is a 195 millimeter barrel. So now I'm gonna take 2 shots like this, and then 2 shots with the 303. Then I'm gonna put the extension outer barrel, which I decorated it with some foam so it could look like a super extended silencer, and that'll be tested against the SSS, the 303 also. So from my phone, I'm 5 meters, a good 2-3 meters away, max 5. So let's shoot this twice and then 303 twice. You guys be the judge of that. Alright, so now we're going to test the SSG10 with this AEG outer barrel. It's way longer than it needs to be, so you see? So I'm going to get like full suppression. You guys want to see what it looks like with the foam? It just looks like a super long suppressor. It's super long. Let's send 2 and then 2 with the 303 to compare those. Man, both those things are quiet. It's bananas. I know some of you guys are wondering if my SSG10 with the extended inner barrel fits inside the case, and it sure does, no problem. You could even go for that 550 millimeter inner barrel, but my option would be to stay 500 because the more inner barrel you have, the more noise you will get. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.